before, boys and girls, we were going over our numbers from 0 to 10, and now we're going to go over the rest of our numbers that we've learned so far from 11 to 17. Okay, you remember what number this one is? That's the number 11. When you take a 1 and a 1 and put them together, that's the number 11. And let's look at this one. When you take a 1 and a 2, what number is that? 12. So we have 11, 12. So we have 1, 1 is 11, 1, 2 is 12. And what about this one? Remember that number? When you take a 1 and a 3, that's the number 13. So we have 11, 12, 13. And when you take a 1 and a 4, what number is that? You remember that number? 14. And what about 1, 5? You know what number that one is? 15. And what number is this one then? 16. So we have 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. And we also learned this number yesterday, a 1 and a 7. So if this is 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, what number is this one? 17. A 17 is a 1 and a 7 together. That's the number 17. All right, let's go over these now. It's 12, 15, 17, 11, 14, 16, 13. So we're working with the number 17. Okay, 1, 7 is the number 17. Let's count our 17 flowers. Remember we said these are zinnias. They begin with the letter Z that we're working with. So this is a 17. We're going to count them together. You ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So we have 17 flowers. All right, so what we're going to do, I sent you this paper here. And on here we have the number 17. Now usually we usually make the 17 with a straight one down. And sometimes you'll see it when it's printed. It'll be a fancy one like that. We don't usually make it that way though. On here we have 17 crayons. We're going to count them and we're going to color them and then we're going to trace the number 17. All right, so this is what we're going to do. We're going to count together. Are you ready? We're going to count, and you can make your crayons all different colors. Okay, we're going to count them as we're coloring them. Okay, so here's 1, 2, 3, 4. You can make them any colors you want, okay? Just remember, do one at a time. You don't want to go across. 5. 6. 7. Let's see what we have so far. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, and what comes after 7? 8. 9. 9, 10, let's count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What comes next? 11, 12, 13, 'kay, let's count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. What comes next? 14, 15, 16. Here's one up here. And what's the number we're working with? 17. Okay, so we have 17 crayons. All right, count them with me again. You ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Okay, and then we have our number 17, and you can color that in whatever color you want to make that. And like I said, we don't usually make this little flag part there, but sometimes you'll see it that way. Okay, so we'll color in our 17. Remember, our 17 is a 1 and a 7. That's the number 17. 1 and a 7 is the number 17. And down on the bottom, we're going to trace our 17. Remember, we make the 1 and then the 7. Okay, so we're going to trace our number 17. All right. Ready to trace? Okay, make your straight line down for the 1. Go across the top and then slant to the bottom for the 7. All right, 1, 7. That's 17. Let's do it again. Ready? 1, 7. What number is it? 17. Okay, let's do it again. Ready? 1, 7. 1 and a 7 is the number 17. Okay, let's try it again. Start at the top. Always start from the top. 1, 7. Okay, let's try it again. Make your 1 go straight down, and the 7 across the top and slant to the bottom. So what number are we working with? 17. Okay, let's count our crayons again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Okay, and what is this number? 17. Okay, so this is the way we usually see it without that little fancy thing there. Okay, the number 17. And tomorrow we're going to start another number.